Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
So let's start today one of the good problem that is rotate an image. So you have given an n cross n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90-degree clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation because here it is given in the question that it is in place. So don't take any other 2D matrix, right? You have to solve it only in place, right? We will so for that we will use swapping concept here, right? Perfect. So as we can see that in given in a example that is given, and so how will what will be the logic behind it? How will solve this problem? How will rotate it as a 90-degree? So what we will do is that we will I'm going to use here transposing of a matrix. So I will take a transpose of this matrix and convert it to every row in a column. And after rotating it in a column, I will do the reverse of each row. So that will be converted in image in a clockwise by 90 degree. It will rotate that the image in a 90-degree. So let's solve the problem. Here I have earlier I have solved this problem here. So let's understand the solution. Perfect. So let's start the problem. So here is the solution of the problem. So given a matrix length of n, because I have taken only one length because it is uh, it is as we are saying it is as a matrix, so its row and column is same, so it's we don't need to take explicitly or differently if or to of representing a row and column. So here I have used the two loop for the traversing or of each. What I have done here, swapping the each row from matrix ij to the matrix ji, right? So here I have used the swapping between a matrix position, right? And so here I have taken what I have done here is I have taken the transpose of the matrix. So converted every row to column. Perfect. In the second loop, what I have done is that I have reversed each row. So whatever row I have get after taking the transposing of a matrix, I have you know reverse the transpose matrix. So for that, what I have done, I have stored the matrix ij, and I have changed the index of at a matrix ing. I have stored another matrix which was last index of the matrix. As we see here that I and j is at the position of a last index, and at the last index I have stored the matrix ing value. So in this way, I have solved this problem and rotate the image by 90-degree. For that, I have used only two concepts. First is taking the transpose of the matrix, and the second one, I have just reversed the each row. So this is I think transpose. Everyone have earlier studied in their 12 matrix chapter. So it is from the same concept, and and the other thing is that I have just converted it in the form of coding. So the concept is similar. So hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel and comment below. And thank you.